Please. What are all these noises? YouTube. Just ask. Let's see, go live. See if any of this stuff works. Why is the AC? Chillin. Yo, good morning, DG. What's good? What's good? Let me where's my link? How's it going, DG? How's the training week been for you? It's honestly, I just overall looking at it, it's been an interesting week. I wouldn't say it was like super choppy and confusing, but it wasn't clean either. So. Nasdaq. So I think Nasdaq's gonna do. So the charts here. Join Ethan's old server at the same time you started live trading. Oh, awesome! What a coincidence in timing. Well, I'm glad you could make it. I hope you enjoy your stay. Let me see. Just fixing some. I think to me, you're relatively new to me because I don't think I see your name too often, but let me know if I'm wrong. Oh. Oh, my mic works on my headphones. Let me know if is it really bad. Test, test, test. Guys, let me Oh, how is this? Is it better now? Should be a little better now. I think it's better now. Hello, 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 hello. Fixed, 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 fixed. Better, better, better. Much better. Awesome, 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 awesome. I think I was just talking about earlier. I hope you guys have been having a good training week. I think this week was, um, I feel like it wasn't one of the more difficult weeks to navigate over the last 2, 3 months, but it definitely wasn't that clear. And I think a lot of people didn't really expect that kind of bullishness yesterday, but that's fair. I mean, you think this continues before dumping at open? Um, it's definitely possible, but to be honest, like I think we're running. I mean, we're running through previous week high. I think we're just gonna take all time highs, and I honestly really dislike um shorting at all time highs. So that's the only thing. Like even if it is a dump, I'd be pretty against it, and that'd just be like almost like a I won't call it like a lucky dump, but like or random dump, but it wouldn't be a dump that I'd probably be a part of if that is the case. But I really like when we were trading all time highs before, literally all it took was longs. Even if we went down, it was just like it'd go down and maybe not even use SMTs in like the most choppy way, and then you just like long up. It was kind of choppy as well, but it felt I didn't feel it was like all the longs and long ideas too were like good. And honestly, that just might be how I might trade all time highs. To be honest, Loki shorting all time highs is like kind of bait. Mm-mm. Not impossible though. Yeah, that's true. But like, look at this buy side liquidity. It just kind of looks good to take. Uh, Especially as we're this close. But I don't know. We'll have to see. Like, there's nothing I can enter on. There's let me see. When you trade, do you look at all three assets to create change in state delivery? Um, Honestly, usually not, but it gives a lot more confluence. Look at that YM flip. Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean, Devin. And just looking at immediate order flow too, right? We're just been so bullish. Like, can we really do about it? Previous session high is about to get invalidated by YM. Is that a new headset I see? Yeah. Not gonna lie, it's a pretty cheap headset, but it's okay. It does the trick. I know it might not look like it. It's deceiving. Man, it's so tempting to just like long, but I have nothing to long off of. Oh wait, or do I? Eh, nah. I was supposed to say 5 minute gap and a 1 minute sequential S&T and 15 minute gap. But like, mm, ES is just on to nowhere. Maybe NQ can give some lower prices for an entry. Doesn't look that great. Is a 1 minute SMT on? Oh wait, there is no 1 minute SMT, is there? Oh, I'm tripping. There is no 1 minute SMT. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. But previous session highs about to get invalidated as well. So like, I don't. Not really too big on this whole thing. Mm. Isn't it AirPod Max? Yeah, but is it real though? Honestly, I just wanted to see how good the fake stuff can get, and I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty good. The only problem is that the Bluetooth disconnects once in a while. That's the only thing that sucks. But it's pretty heavy, and the sound, the quality is okay. It's a little bassier than like actual AirPod Maxes, or my even my real AirPods. But honestly, I was like, I just wanted something like I didn't want to always have earbuds in, like sticking into my ear. So I just wanted some sort of headphones. Oh, I didn't take all time highs. Loki, I'm still bullish. I'm Loki. I just am still bullish. There's just nothing I can see when new 1 minute quarter. What's a new 1 minute quarter? Do, do, do. Oh, let me show you. I mean, you guys saw how the trade played out yesterday. I called out on Discord. I didn't go live yesterday because I was coming back from a trip. But let me show you guys. And I had to literally wait. Like I literally went to bed because it took so long to play out. Uh, I believe this was last night. 45, 713. Yeah, I pretty much Like it pretty much auto filled me at the top, which was super nice. I can't lie. Um, because I was asleep, right? So it's not like it's gonna. Right. Like this was the this was the fill, and then right as it opened, it like dumped down a little bit, a tiny bit. So it's like I pretty much it pretty much auto filled me at the top, which was super nice. But it's like it's not none of my doing. I just went to bed, so. Let's see. Hmm. I still don't really have much right now. Let's see. Let's see what we can get here. Can we literally get anything interesting? Yeah, sure. Hey, wait for 5 minute SMT at this point. I think the validation of all these SMTs. Hmm. Yeah, I don't think this order block's gonna hold. Not a big fan of it. Let's see. It looks like the order block's holding. I guess. Is that W markout or what? If this creates a change in state, actually, yeah, I'd be interested in something like this. Let's wait for this closure first, though, but target all-time highs. Let's wait and see, though. I'm not in anything yet. I just want to clarify that. Just watching. Is there a wick on this? There is. Okay, on YM. Nice. I wouldn't like to see YM drop like that, though. But we'll have to really see. TGF, hello everyone. How's it been this week? What's good, Jameson? What's good, Jameson? What's good? What's good? I'm leaning a little bit more bullish. I'm waiting for this closure for this candle. Nothing. No trade yet. Let me put it. Patiently waiting. If this closes nicely, I might do a half risk buy. Let's see. And that'll be my only bullet because it's Friday and I don't want to deal with that kind of BS. Yeesh, see? Still wait a sec. Be patient, yo, be patient. Could we see some sort of respecting of this? Or just not at all? Is this the dump? Question mark? Oh, there's still the 15-minute SMT. But like barely. I don't know if I would exactly count that. This 1 minute and close above. Okay, that doesn't look good. Never mind. Never mind. Let's wait. 10 seconds still. It's pretty bearish. Or I'm completely capping. Let's see. Okay, I'm not sure if I even want to take a stab anymore. If this a cringe state, maybe. This is a lot less smooth than I thought it would be. But I guess this is all-time high trading, right? I guess. Choppy opening ES on Y 5 minutes barcode. Yeah, actually. Looks pretty horrid, I can't lie. Look at this. It does not want to go up. Are we just going to drop down now? Yeah. I think I'm waiting, bro. It's actually rough. There's a 1 minute SMT now, but like, looks like it means nothing without prices moving. Like, thank you, price. I appreciate it. Okay, I might take a stab here. Something like Adis. Wait. Let's see if we can get closure above the wicks. I'm in. Let me make a little nicer looking at least. Let me delete that. 4 hour. Here we go. Did we get closure above? We did, but I prefer to be over all these wicks. This is pretty brutal, but I'll take a half wrist stab. I might just get stopped out right off the rip. My entry's like here. I might just do another sweep of south side first, which I wouldn't like because I'm already in, but definitely possible. And then YM's the one that holds maybe to continue higher because there's just too much south side right now. Frame, and then it's not as clean on YM. South side liquidity, but we'll have to see. I'll just hold to this idea. If we get stopped out, I either have another bullet or I'm just gonna hop off. I might just hop off though, because that sounds more enticing than trading through all-time highs. Just to me. See now, why are you doing that? Why are you playing games? I feel like this is not a bad trade idea. It's just gonna be it's gonna be rough because it's not really propelled by any SMTs. It's more based off of invalidated SMTs, right? On the 5-minute, if we had closure above this wick, I'll be very comfortable. But seems pretty rough. Let's see. Yes, says no wick on the highs. Right. That's nice. We'll see if it is truly nice though. Might just be a lie. Whoa, what the freak just happened? The dump? I might just get stopped out right here. What is that? It's looking so good until it wasn't. I missed some sort of news. Is there orange news? It's not even 10 yet. No, it's not even orange news. What is this? Whatever. If I get stopped out, I'm actually glad at this rate. I was like, oh, it's kind of clear. And then just boom. Yeah, never mind.
Hello， 點啊？做緊乜嘢啊？哇！做咩頭咁亂出嚟？啱啱瞓醒啊？
That's a seriously unfortunate 1-minute drop. Is there yeah, no, still not a big fan. Oh, maybe it's the chop in the AM session. Like the was it Jamison or who was talking about it in the chat? Someone's talking about it. And he's got the read. The pro read. Orange news. Orange news nowadays means Trump, by the way. Kidding. I'm kind of not kidding. This thing. I'm pretty sure I'm done for today, but I'll just sit here with you guys. And let me know what you guys see. If you guys are interested in anything. If you guys are getting destroyed. if you guys are owning the market. I don't know how you'd own the market in this PA, but hey, hey, y'all got some secret sauce? I don't know, and like please share. This shit looks like chop. I can't lie. Oh, I should take this off. I still have eyes for all-time high, but either that be PM session or Monday. I'm not gonna be a part of it. Unfortunately. Maybe fortunately. If I was really trying to catch it through this, I might just like lose everything. The handbrake because of the chop. Flux Factory needs an update. Yeah, actually. How was that? I was like, oh, we're up in the green. It's looking nice. We all just move a little higher. And then, nope. Psych. You thought. Psych, you thought. A copy trade? Not right now. I just have one funded TFD account. And then I'm trying to get live funded. And then I don't know, after that it's just kind of that's I guess that's just what I'm working towards next. Live funding. I had accounts and then I like was doing some bad stuff, bad habits, and it was a couple months ago, and I mean, you guys know the drill, how it goes. And I've been working on these accounts for maybe 2 or 3 months now, and I'm on a. I feel like I'm fairly well controlled now, so which is important in trading, very important. This looks pretty like I'm not going to be a part of this. Mm. There's some nasty PA. Ooh, these blueberries are sour. Ooh. Mm. Looks pretty rough. I'm still not really convinced on any direction. I'm still like overall bullish still, by the way, but nothing's convincing me otherwise. Like nothing's convincing me any direction right now. Alright, look at this. Like that we're getting it in this AM session, I mean, but we'll see. All right. I don't think there's anything else I want to look at. I think it's a short stream today. Do you risk? Do you risk or do anything different during Eval Pass to quickly? Because I know future pros. I used to, but now I don't as much because even if I risk normally, I can still pass in a month. For pumping, yeah, maybe. So we'll see. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna hop off. There's actually like nothing that interests me. I don't want to say in this, to be honest. I took an L. I'm down 1R. Up on the week though. I'm up like 2R on the week. I'm up like 2-3R on the week. Actually 2R, which is not bad, to be honest. It wasn't the nicest week, but also not the worst week. Hey, green is green, right? I'm taking these accounts super slowly, so I am like they're technically already funded, technically, but like the next benchmark, like once I hit 6K profit, it's live and I can take daily payouts, which is nice. Working towards that. All right, I'm gonna hop off. I wish you guys good luck. Have a good weekend. I'll see you guys on Monday. Next week, I'm only trading until Thursday, or actually Wednesday, because Thursday I'm catching a flight. I'm heading to Vietnam for 5 days, so you're not gonna. I'm probably not gonna stream in Vietnam either. But I made the announcement on Discord. If you guys want to find out where that is, link in bio. There's literally nothing paid on there, so feel free to check it out. I just give my updates there. But yeah, I'll be traveling next week Thursday. I know I've been traveling a lot. The traveling, I promise, all the traveling stuff is gonna calm down in October. I'm heading back to Canada and just gonna settle down. But for now, I'm traveling a lot. So thank you for your patience. I'll see you guys next week.